year, the Association of California Nurse Leaders awards nurses from across the state who have made outstanding contributions to the profession of nursing. Recently, one of Community Regional's clinical nurse specialists was nominated for her excellence in clinical practice. Kerri Krogen is a clinical nurse specialist in surgical services at Community Regional.
I help to align policies and procedures with the current best practices and guidelines. I help to disseminate practice changes to our frontline staff and our leadership. I collaborate with our physician partners on order set revisions or patient education materials, clinical pathway development. I help facilitate some performance improvement projects. I'm involved in some of the quality improvement initiatives throughout the corporation.
But her experience goes even deeper. She got her certified nursing assistant license at the age of 17 and then became a monitor tech in the ICU at Clovis Community, going on to school to become an LVN and then finishing her education to become an RN working in Community's ICU.
Some of the things I've helped work on, one of the biggest is probably our ERAS, or Enhanced Recovery After Surgery program. That was a different way of working with surgical patients. So I've done a lot of education with patients beforehand, a lot of education with staff and physicians of different pathways that we use on this program. Part of that program is to help get patients out of the hospital earlier, control their pain better.
She was inspired to become a nurse because of her aunt.
In high school, she was the school nurse, so she would take me to lunch all the time, and then she would just write me a note back into class because I'd come back late. And I just saw what she did, and I loved helping people. I've always had a desire to help people, so I wanted to become a nurse.
Kerri was nominated as a 2023 RN of the Year in the category of clinical practice. And because of Community's investment in professional development, she continues to make a difference in the lives of those in the Valley.
The work that they do each and every day to give the best care to their patients, that are in need here in the Valley is just amazing, and I just feel so honored to be a part of Community and working on this team.